back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the problems for DCET which was asked in the previous years. So, these problems which we are going to discuss is going to be based upon the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication and transpose of a matrix. Okay, so if you are not clear about these concepts, please check in the link which is in the description to understand all this concept, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and transpose of a matrix. So this is Jarvis Prem from Study Mission. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon if you haven't pressed, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Okay, let's begin. So see, this is a problem which was asked in the year 2019. So if A is equal to minus 3, 4, 2, 0 and B equals to minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1, then B transpose into A transpose is. Okay, so we have to find B transpose into A transpose. See, these are the options which is given. So we will first solve the problem, then we will check with the options and the answer. Okay, see, we have to first to find B transpose into A transpose. First we have to find B transpose and A transpose separately. So I will write down B transpose. Okay, so B transpose. See, I clearly said you transpose of the matrix is nothing but rows will be changed into columns and columns will be changed into rows. Since we want a B transpose here, write transpose of matrix B. Okay, see, we have minus 1 and minus 2 in this column. So this column will become row in this. That is what transpose is. So minus 1, minus 2. Similarly, 2 and 1 is in column in this matrix. In transpose matrix, this will become row. That means 2, 1. Okay, so this is B transpose. Then, now we want A transpose. Okay, now consider matrix A. So minus 3 and 2 is in column in this matrix. It will become a row here. Minus 3 and 2. Similarly, 4 and 0 is in column in this matrix. It will become a row here. Okay. Now very simple. We have to find B transpose into A transpose. Okay. So see, what is important is we have to consume very less time in solving these concepts, because see, we have hardly 1 minute for one problem in DC. Okay, so as possible as much you have to reduce the steps for in solving every problem. Okay, so multiplication, I have already said you take this first row elements, multiply it with this first column elements. That's it. So minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, minus 1 into minus 3, that is minus into minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3 plus, okay, we have to add, next step we have to add, then minus 2 into 4, that is what? Minus 8. Okay, then again same thing, take the first row element, multiply it with the second column element. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Then take the second row element, multiply it with first column and second column. 2 into minus 3 is what? Minus 6. Then plus 1 into 4 is 4. Then again take this row, multiply it with second column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Okay, now do the calculations. See, plus into minus is minus, that is 3 minus 8. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4, that is greater than is minus, plus into minus is minus, so 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, here 3 minus 8, greater sign is minus, so plus into minus is minus, 8 minus 3 is 5. minus 2, minus 2 and 4. Okay, now check this answer in the given option. See, answer is minus 5, minus 2, minus 2 and 4. Okay, so our answer is second option. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 2 and 4. So see, when solving it in the examinations, you have to reduce all these steps. Okay, as much as possible you have to consume less time. Okay, so please practice. Practicing can make you consume less time while solving the problems. Okay, second problem. Second problem, if A is equals to 3, 0, minus 2, 1, then 2A minus 3A transpose is. Okay, so we have to find this one. See, this question was asked in 2018. Okay, let's move to the problem now. See, here only change is A transpose. Okay, so we'll write down what is A transpose first. A transpose, I clearly said you, rows is going to become columns and columns is going to become rows. So here 3 and minus 2 is in column, it will become row here. 3 minus 2. 0 and 1 is in column, it will become rows here. 0 and 1. Okay, so we know now A transpose. Okay, now we have to find 2A minus 3A transpose. So 2A minus 3A transpose. Okay, see, 2, write 2 as it is. Write A matrix here. 3, 0, minus 2, 1. 3, 0, minus 2, 1 is A minus 3. We have A transpose here. Write 3 minus 2, 0, 1. Okay, now you have to multiply this one. See, every element, individual element should be multiplied with this number. So multiplying it here, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are, that is 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into minus 2 is what? Minus 6, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, so subtraction is also similar to addition. Okay, evaluating the adjacent elements. Now we have minus in between these matrices, so we have to subtract the matrices. Now 6 minus 9. Okay, so adjacent elements, we have to subtract the adjacent elements. Okay, 6 minus 9. Okay, 6 minus 9. Then 0, minus into minus is plus, plus 6. Then minus 4 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0. Then 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. So this is an idea, so that you do it with the adjacent elements only. So what is 6 minus 9? 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 0 plus 6 is 6. Minus 4 minus 0 is nothing but minus 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, so the answer is minus 3, 6, minus 4 and minus 1. Check that answer in the option here. Minus 3, 6, minus 4 and minus 1. Okay, so here third option, option C is the right one. Okay, so this is how you solve this one. Okay, please be careful while subtracting these numbers. Take the greater sign, that is 9 is a greater number here, take minus here, plus into minus is minus, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, you have to do it like this. So this is the second problem. Third problem now. Third problem, if 3, 4x into minus 1, 2, 5 is equals to 2x plus 8. Then the value of x is. That means we have to find the value of x. Okay, see, first thing is options is given, 4 options. Option A is 1, option B is -1, option C is -1/2, option D is 1/2. Okay, see, first before multiplying any two matrices, I'd like to tell you we have to check whether it is possible or not. Okay, see here, the order of this matrix is how many rows? Only one row, 1 cross. How many columns are? 3 columns, 1 cross 3. Okay, then order of this matrix is how many rows? 3 rows. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 cross. How many columns are? 1 columns. I have set you the condition. If you have to multiply any two matrices, number of columns of one matrix should be equal to number of rows to the another matrix. Only then multiplication of matrices is possible. Okay, you see, number of column in this matrix is 3, number of rows in this matrix is 3. Then this is possible. Okay, and the final order of matrix, what will be? See, if you exclude this 3 and 3, the final order of matrix is going to be 1 cross 1. This is the answer. Okay, so in the sense, this is going to be the resultant of product of these two matrices. Okay, now we will multiply this matrix. Okay, see, take this entire row and multiply it with this column matrix. Okay, so 3 into -1, 3 into -1, then plus 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus x into 5, that is nothing but 5x. X into 5 is 5x. So, see, I said you, this is going to be 1 cross 1 matrix. That means this is going to be like this. Okay, so this is the left hand side. Right hand side, what is given? 2x plus 8. Okay, see, these matrices are said to be an equal matrix. That means you can equate the adjacent elements. Okay, here this matrix is of order 1 cross 1. This matrix is also of order 1 cross 1. So we can equate it. The adjacent elements can be equated. Okay, so what is 3 into -1 is -3. It plus 4 to is 8 plus 5x is equals to 2x plus 8. Okay, so we need x here. Okay, see, we can cancel this plus 8 and plus 8. See, this cancellation is based upon the condition if you have a same number with the same sign on both the sides, one in the LHS and one in the RHS, you can cancel it easily. Okay, I have plus 8 here, I have plus 8 here. So these can be cancelled. Okay, don't get confused and don't cancel the opposite sign ones. Okay, plus 8 is in the left hand side, plus 8 is in the right hand side. So I can cancel both the things. So what is left out is -3 plus 5x is equals to 2x. So what I need is I need x. So bring the x terms one side, take the remaining terms to the other side. Okay, so keep the 5x as it is here, 5x. Here you have plus 2x. From right hand side, if it comes to LHS side, it will become -2x is equals to, this -3 is in left hand side, it will go to RHS. So -3, if it goes there, it will become +3. Okay, so what is 5x minus 2x? It is 3x is equals to 3. Okay, we need x, is it? So x will be 3 divided by 3. So here 3 is multiplied to x. If it comes to the other side, it will become division. Multiplication becomes division, becomes here. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is x is equals to 1. So I have to check that answer here. So we have an option A as 1. So option A is the right answer. Answer is x is equals to 1. Okay. So please listen carefully. First criteria is check whether the product, that is the multiplication of matrix, is possible or not with this method. Then go for multiplication. You will get the answer. So x is equals to 1 is the right answer for this problem. Next one. Fourth problem. if 2, 3, 1, 2 plus A is equals to 5, 1, 3, 2, then A is. This question was asked in 2017. Okay, from 2017, this question is of old syllabus. Okay, but now what we are going to answer in 2020 is of 2018 syllabus. Okay, don't worry about the syllabus, but question is going to be same from the same chapters. Okay, so only difference is few chapters have been excluded, few chapters have been included compared to old and new syllabus. Okay, just follow our lectures. This should be more than enough for you. Okay, so this is the question. Now we'll move on to the problem. See, this is given. We want A. Another important thing is we have to observe the options. Okay, see, option which is given is in matrices. Okay, it is given in matrix, so we need the answer in matrix itself. In previous problem, we were finding X. Option were given as a single digit number. Okay, but here we have to find it in the matrix. Very simple. I want A. I'll write this matrix as it is 5, 1, 3, 2. I want A, is it? So this matrix is in left hand side here. I take this matrix to the right hand side. It will become, here it is positive, it will become negative here. 2, 3, 1, 2. Now subtraction, subtract the adjacent elements. That's it. What is 5 minus 2? Is 3. I'm doing it directly. What is 1 minus 3? That is minus 2. What is 3 minus 1? That is only 2. What is 2 minus 2? That is 0. So this is the answer. Check this answer in the option. 3 minus 2, 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 2, 0. So the answer is option B. Okay. So this is the simple problem. You can check it in this solution and check the option. Okay. Next problem. Problem. If A is equals to 2 minus 3 1 5, B is equals to 1 2 4 minus 3, then A plus 2B is. Okay, so this problem was asked in 2016. Okay, so this is what it is given. We have to find A plus 2B. Very simple problem. Take A, 2 minus 3 1 5 plus 2 into B is 1 2 4 minus 3. Okay. Now what we have to do is write it as this: 2 minus 3 1 5 plus. We have to multiply this 2 with every element of this matrix. So 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 4 8, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus minus 3 to size 6. Now add the additional elements. 2 plus 2, yes, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 plus 4 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So this is the answer. Check it with the option. 4, 1, 9 minus 1. 4, 1, 9 minus 1. So option A is the right one. Okay, you can exclude this step. You can multiply straight away with this 2 and you can do this. Okay, so this is the answer, that is 4, 1, 9 and minus 1. Next problem. Sixth problem. If A is equals to 2, 3, 5, 4, B is equals to minus 1, 7, minus 4, 1, then A plus B whole transpose is. Okay, so this question was asked in 2015. Okay, I hope this is very simple here. See, before finding A plus B whole transpose, we'll first find what is A plus B. Okay, so we'll find what is A plus B. Okay, we'll find what is A plus B. See, we need not write the data here, we'll add it straight away. Okay, directly we'll add 2 plus of minus 1. Okay, 2 plus of minus 1, 3 plus 7, 5 plus of minus 4, 4 plus 1. Okay, so adding it will get plus into minus is minus, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus into minus is minus. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so this is A plus B now. Okay, we have to find A plus B whole transpose. Okay, so A plus B whole transpose is nothing but rows will be changed into columns, columns will be changed into rows. Here 1 and 1 is in column, here it will become in rows. Here 10 and 5 is in second column, it will come in second row. 10, 5. So A plus B whole transpose is 1, 1, 10, 5. Second options 1, 1, 10, 5. So option A is the right one. Okay, thank you.